What is up, YouTube? Today in Kiwanna's kitchen, I'm going to show you guys how I make my own homemade pizza seasoning. This recipe is simple, so easy, and if you want to double, triple this recipe or whatever, you can. But if you guys want to see how I made this, keep watching. So I just want to share with you all. First, my order came from, as you can see, Spice Barn. I order from them all the time. Before we jump into this pizza seasoning video, majority of what I'm going to be using in my video is actually right here in this box. So it actually came right on time, okay? And here is my thyme. And this is one of the spices also that we're going to be using in the for my pizza seasoning. I'm going to be using some minced green onion as well as the regular minced onion. And again, I'll show you guys all of that. I ordered some parsley. And I also got some cilantro. I got some dill weed. And guys, this is a must right here, especially with the summer coming. If you guys want to make dips or whatever, this is perfect to have on hand. And I only got one of these. This is 8 ounces. But you guys can see that is a lot of dill weed. Do you guys see that bag? This is how fat that is. This is a lot of dill weed, okay? I got some focus in there. I got some granulated green bell pepper, and last but not least, well, no, I got one more in there, but oregano, and this is a 1 pound bag also. You see that's a lot of oregano, so guys, this will last me a while. And this is my basil. This is also 1 pound of basil. Some of what I'm going to be using in my pizza seasoning blend. So again, just wanted to show you guys what I got before I got started in this recipe. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to get this other stuff back in here. And we're going to go ahead and just get started on everything. And I'll see you guys back in a bit. Okay, so I went on ahead and started getting my spices on my plate here. I have 2 tablespoons of the thyme. I have 3 of the oregano. So now we're going in with parsley. And I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of parsley. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some minced green onion. And 3 tablespoons of this. So I got some minced onion in a bottle also, and this is just like the regular, how to get that, the regular minced onion. So I'm going to go in, get this open. I'm going to go in with 3 of these. Some fall on the plate, that's fine. Just go ahead and get 3. I like to have that extra onion flavor in my pizza seasoning. If you want to just go ahead and use the regular minced onion, you can do that. Okay? And for the spice of the pizza, I like to go in with the 6 pepper blend. This is so good. I don't know if you guys have tried this, but this pepper, oh my God, this blend is so good. And I'm going to go in with 3 of these as well because, again, I like that heat. Always buy your spices fresh because that way, whatever that expiration date is on that bottle, that's how long your spice will last. Some people say, oh, they're going to last 6 months when you make this. No. Look at the expiration dates on those bottles. And that is how long your spice blend or mix or whatever you make, that's how long it's going to last. That's why when I make my spice blends, I like to use fresh spices because, again, it extends that shelf life and it'll pretty much just last longer. Okay. I'm going in with some basil, of course. How do you have a pizza with no basil? Like, come on now. So, going in with 3 of these. Okay. And what I like to use, a lot of people like to use minced garlic, but I like to go in with garlic powder. So, we're going to go in with that. 3 tablespoons. Ooh. Oh, well, you good, you good. I went on ahead, I got one of my spice bottles here. And what I'm going to do Just kind of fold up the plate. Oop, almost spilled it there. And crunch the plate like you, not crunch, well, just pretty much fold the plate in half. And slowly just add it into your spice bottle. So, and if you want to triple this recipe, you can, but I just make it as I go. Again, the spices are fresh, but again, if you want to triple this or double this recipe, you can. And just go ahead and give it a good shake. And here you have it, guys. Your own homemade pizza seasoning. Everything fresh. And every time you use it, just give it a good shake. So that pretty much does it for my video, guys. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you did, give my video a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.